This is room 10201. It's a fully accessible room on the Carnival Panorama. It's in the front or the forward, the bow of the ship. And you'll notice that the door is much wider than the normal door on a regular cabin. So it makes it easy to come in with your mobility scooter, your wheelchair, your walker, whatever piece of equipment you use to get around with. Over here on the left is a storage area. You can put your suitcases, or you can possibly store your scooter or wheelchair there. The room comes with 3 closets. The first closet, you can hang clothes, and there's storage down at the bottom. The second closet, you can also hang clothes, and there's a lower bar down there for hanging clothes. In the third closet, you get shelves, and you get a safe, and you get 3 drawers with handles. And over here is your refrigerator. And up on the desk is where your power supplies are. You get a European outlet, and you get 2 American outlets, and there's 2 USB outlets, but I did not show you those, sorry. Across the room, you get a full-length couch, and there's a night table with a lamp, and above that is outlets for plugging in your phone and recharging. There's your TV. Looking out the window, you have like almost your own private deck. You can access this area by the door that's just outside of the room, and it'll take you right out there. Here's a look at the bed, and we'll make our way back over this way, and we'll go in and look at the bathroom. But on the way, you'll notice there's some hooks down low, and then there are a couple hooks up high. So in the bathroom, the threshold is flat, so there's not that step like in a regular cabin on a ship. And you come in, there's your sink. The sink sets up high enough, and there's shelves on your right side. And there's a makeup mirror, but there's your shower, and it comes with a hose, and it also comes with soap and shampoo. And there's a bench in there for you to sit down on. There's plenty of grab bars in this room. And you come over here, here's your toilet. And you'll notice that there's a lot of floor space in here, so you can come in and you can get turned around and get yourself acclimated very easily. Coming out of the bathroom, one last look at the room. And you'll notice that there's plenty of room in this room. So this is fully accessible.